Here we have a glimpse of the North American horror villain. This mysterious species can withstand extreme injury and multiple reboots. It's inexplicably a successful hunter despite never moving faster than a casual walk. Scientists attract these creatures with a fake babysitter, and of course the Aztec death whistle. No villain can resist the sharp, piercing scream of this eerie instrument. They're starting to attack, so this must be a main character. And what's this? The males are fighting over their prey in a rare crossover battle. Let's move in closer for a better look. Oh dear.
Buy the authentic Aztec death whistle at Amazon.